Well, rain reports from across the region over the last 24 hours pretty impressive. Fargo picking up about 2/10 of an inch, but ridiculous amounts. Verona almost 1 inch of rain, 1.62 reported a little bit east of you in New Rockford, and many of you are reporting to me New Rockford didn't get nary a drop of rain. That's how sometimes thunderstorms are. One part of the county or even town can get inundated with rain, like 6.83 inches in the Argyle area reported. Alvarado 6.2 inches. A lot of flooding concerns there. More rain working its way through, but this activity, central Minnesota exiting east now. Lake of the Woods straight down into, well, the Pelican Rapids area, seeing showers and storms. And along Interstate 94 and points south and west, we're seeing a smattering of thunder shower activity. Take a look at the setup, and it's very interesting. Look at this. Low pressure here causing some of that spin in the atmosphere we're talking about on the warm side of the system, 70s, even 80s, cool 50s, plowing in with drier air behind it, and that's causing some showers and storms. And that boundary right here, laying up against Interstate 94, where it's 81 in Oaks, it's 55 in Devils Lake. Here's a look at those showers and storms now as we glide you across the region. These drifting north and east, 15 miles per hour, heading into central and northern Cass County and the I-29 corridor. They're north of Fargo, and this little cell right there starting to develop not far from the airport as we look at Tower City. Storms just to the north of you. Here's the Pelican Rapids area. Get ready for some heavy rain briefly. A few tenths of an inch from these fast passing showers. They're moving at about 15 miles per hour as well. Now looking down to Naytawash, you've had rain showers and thunderstorms for the last 2 to 3 hours in Mahnomen County. So likely some lofty rainfall potential in this area. This extends out into the Itasca area and towards Bemidji to Black Duck. Seeing showers. These are moving east at about 15 to 20 miles per hour as these showers, which extend all the way up to Lake of the Woods, are finally beginning to exit our area. So quieting weather in central Minnesota at 68 degrees right now for Baudette. Look at the heat down south, 82 Gwinner, 80 in Sisseton. Contrast that with mid 50s in the Devils Lake Basin. That air in your area in Devils Lake, much drier as well. Forecast, south wind. You can see the boundary here, air converging right along the I-94 corridor. That's going to cause these showers and thunderstorms to percolate as our stuff in Minnesota exits. Set this into motion. These drift north, but by 10 o'clock, our thunder and lightning chances really reduce. This will become more of a rain event as we go through the overnight hours. So yes, you could see more rain in Argyle as we go through the overnight hours. It doesn't look like it's going to be like last night's, where it's storm after storm after storm delivering several inches of rain, but more is not necessarily welcome there. We could certainly use it in western and central parts of North Dakota. Tomorrow morning, temperatures near 60 for many of us. We'll see south winds, and for the better part of the day, it looks dry. And these south winds are going to watch the temperatures in the afternoon. Pump it up. We're talking about some 80s to near 90 down in the south. That's right. Sisseton, Watertown, 90s. Look at the winds gusting 40 miles per hour. Some peaks of afternoon sunshine and some sweltering heat. It won't be as warm along the international border. Late, look what's happening upper left-hand corner. More showers and storms making their way in. Friday night and into Saturday, that'll be our next chance of some rain making its way through. Several chances. And by the way, tomorrow afternoon's activity in the central Dakotas, it's a small chance of becoming severe. We'll keep our eyes on that. Tomorrow, we start out near 60. We'll ramp things up. It's going to get sweaty out there. Have that sunscreen handy. Temperatures soaring up into the mid-80s on a breezy day from the south. I think Fargo stays dry once we get through the morning hours. 71 for your 4 o'clock hour in Langdon on your way home from school or work in Oaks. 82 Lakes Country. Dip the toes in the water. We're talking 80s for you as well. Here's a beautiful shot from Jessica near Golden Lake. Stormy weather the last couple of years for you. Luckily, no damage reported last night from anything that was going on there. Morning showers on Saturday. We stay warm in Fargo, but I want to point this out. If you're up north, it's going to be cold on Saturday, with some of you only near 60 degrees. We cool off on Sunday with more showers late into Monday. So a couple of rounds of chances of rain. And yes, those chances do include the central Dakotas as we cool off a little bit next week, but really back down to average for this time of year.
All right. Thanks, Hutch. A warning to